In this tutorial, I am going to show you some of the best trading shitcoin trading secret that you can use to invest and make massive returns, 1000x returns, 5000x returns from trading on shitcoins. So what I will show you in this tutorial is the platform where you can see these shitcoins newly being created in the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 24 hours, a few days ago. So what you do on how you can research on these shitcoins before you are able to invest in them. So apart from that, I will also show you how you can investigate or audit these particular altcoins just to make sure that they are not going to be worthless coins in your wallet after you must have bought them. So there's what we call a rug pull in crypto or even honeypot. So there are some scammers and bad actors there where they will just create some of these shit coins and allow innocent investors to have bought into these shit coins. Then after some time, they will just withdraw the liquidity from the shit coin and everything becomes totally worthless in your wallet. So you want to investigate before you purchase any shit coin or any altcoins that you stumble on. So that is what I'm going to show you in this awesome tutorial. So if you are ready for this, let's just dive into it.
This video was brought to you by SoGit. Buy or sell your Bitcoin and perfect money on SoGit.com. We will pay you instantly within 2 minutes. Sign up today at SoGit.com/register.
All right, welcome back. So before I get started, I just want to share with you our company is called SoGet. So if you are a Nigerian watching this tutorial and then you want to buy a Bitcoin or USDT, then you can simply head them to our website soget.com. On soget.com, you can, as you can see on the screen, you can easily purchase Bitcoin and USDT and other form of digital currencies in Nigeria. So you can just support us in patronizing us for the business we do. So let's return back to the tutorial. So I'll just take you to the website. That's the platform, the DX platform, where you can find these shit coins and how you can see the newly created shitcoin. So the site is called DexScreener, as you can see here on my screen. So once you come to this platform here, DexScreener.com. So let me just reload it. All right. So on this DexScreener platform, you can find newly created altcoins, coins that may give you 5000x movement in terms of the price, 1000x, 100x within the shortest possible amount of time. So you may have heard of the Pepper coin that was just launched a few weeks ago, not up to 1 month, and it has done massive returns. And so investors that were able to purchase Pepper coin at just its early stage, they've been able to make massive returns on their investment. So that is what this platform is going to allow you to do, DexScreener.com. So with DexScreener.com, you simply come here and you're going to see the newly created coins, altcoins, shitcoin that you can just invest in. So now if you come to the one good thing about this DexScreener, you don't need to register or just sign up. Just simply come to this portion here. You see this new pairs here, new pairs. If I click on new pairs, so the new pairs is going to show us the newly created tokens that were just created in the shortest possible time. For example, now if you look at this first one here, you see this one is ZPC/USDC. Okay, it says Zen Panda coin, and the age is, this age here simply means that this coin was created 5 hours 23 minutes ago. All right, so that is what this new pairs here is. This table here is going to show you the newly created coins and what you can do about them. So if you click on this age here now, it simply gives you the age in this is the descending order here. You can see descending order. Then if you click on it again, then it's going to give us the newly created coins just at the very youngest age. So you can see the earliest token now created is this one, pool/USDC. This age was created 6 minutes ago, and you can see this is the price. And what this buy simply means is that the number of investors that have bought this coin, and sell simply means the number of sales that this coin have gotten, and this is the volume. Okay, this makers here simply means the unique wallets that are presently holding this a coin that has just been created. So this is where I'm taking you guys to look at the returns that this coin has gotten in the last 5 minutes. 70% returns in the last 1 hour. 214% return, and you can see in the last 24 hours. So this is the power of using this platform, Desk Screener. You can use this platform to find out coins that are going to give you massive returns. But like I told you at the beginning, once you see a coin, don't just jump into it and go and buy it. You need to do more research to make sure that that coin is not going to end up as a rug pull or honeypots, and you don't want to invest your money and end up losing it. So you can see, look at, for example, look at this coin here. You can see this coin ROO slash WETH, and look at the 24 hours return that it has gotten, 18,000%. So this is just the power of this platform, and the coin was just created 50 minutes ago. So there's a very good strategy that you can use, which I also do, is that some of these coins, what you just do is you quickly just, once they are newly created, just once you've done your research and you see that this coin is okay, you can just quickly buy them, and within 1 hour 2 hours just sell them. So it's called shitcoin gambling. This is not really investment. So I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, whatever it is I'm sharing with you in this tutorial is not investment advice. Please, very important, it's not investment advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. So everything I'm doing here is just for academic or entertainment purposes. So it's for your entertainment. So please do your own research before investing your own money. So you must be very careful that a lot of the coins on this platform, let me say more than 98% of the tokens on this platform, they are actually scam. So a lot of, because this is a DX platform, it's a decentralized exchange platform where the everything here is done anonymously. So anybody can easily create a token or a coin and just list it on the DX platform. You get, so unlike the centralized platform like your Binance, your Gate.io, there's a lot of compliance, a lot of vetting, checking to make sure that any coin listed on their platform is genuine, is legit, and is real. So you want to be careful before you invest in using this platform. So that's the purpose of this tutorial. I am going to show you the necessary steps to take before you invest on any particular coin. So let's say, for example, you've seen it. Okay, now I've showed you, okay, the makers, this is the number of unique wallets, and you can see then the liquidity, which is very important. So this liquidity is just for you to know the amount of liquidity that a particular coin has. So you want to be sure that, yes, this coin has liquidity whereby you can buy or sell the coin at any given moment. You don't want to buy a coin and you discover that within a few minutes or seconds after you bought the coin, the liquidity is the amounts to zero. So you want to check the liquidity. So what I always recommend is any liquidity above 100,000 or $200,000 is okay, but that's not the only factor you should look out for. In fact, that's the list of factors, because over the years when I've been practicing on this platform, I've seen coins whereby their liquidity is even almost over $500,000, $1 million, and it still end up being a rug pull. So you have to be very careful about that. So now let's say we've seen a coin and then you want to check it. But before I do that, the coins that are listed here, you can see they are listed on various platform and blockchain. You can see, for example, this first one here is listed on the Arbitrum network. All right, so there are coins that you can trade on the Arbitrum network. That's for this one. Look at this one, is in the Ethereum network. So there are a lot of coins in terms of the network. So you want to make sure that your wallet, that's your decentralized, your DApp wallet, supports that particular network. For me, I use a Pancake swap. All right, so now let me show you. Let's just go down a bit. Okay, look at this one now. You can see this one, this coin OD/USDT. The age is 1 hour 29 minutes ago, and you can see it has done 1,133% in the last 6 hours. And you can see that it's listed on a Pancake Swap and is on the BSC, that's a Binance Chain network. So with this now, if I want to, let's say I want to buy this coin, then I'll just simply use my pancake swap. All right, so you can use depending on your network and your DX that you are using. So now let me just now you can also filter. All right, you can filter the coins. If you come to the top here, if you click on all platforms, all right, so this is what I usually do sometimes. All right, so most of the coins that I actually trade on, they are on the BSC network. So because of the Ethereum, a lot of coins here are on Ethereum, fine, but Ethereum fees are quite high. So I use most of the coins I trade on on the Binance network. So let's say you click on BSC here and you just click on save. So you can actually filter the coin. So you just only see coins, new coins to trade on the particular network you want to be trading on. So if I click on save, all right, so you see that the desk screener is going to list all the newly created coins that are on the Binance Smart Chain, and that's what you are seeing here. You can see another one, age is 2 minutes ago. Buy. So this is just what this platform will give to you. All right. So apart from the new pairs, you can also check this particular table here, or this page here, gainers and losers. So if I click on gainers and losers, you are going to see the coins that are doing well and those that are doing poorly, that are making profit or losing. So this desk screener is just a platform that shows you a lot of information about newly created shit coins and altcoins there, just for you to make your final decision. So now look at this. Look at the table here. You can see this is the table for gainers. All right, and then you want to check which coin is doing very well. All right, look at this coin, friend/USDT. Got the price 0.00774, and you can see the gain in the last 24 hours, 56,000%. This is so massive. All right, but we don't know if this coin is a rig or cheat coin or rug pull. So you want to do your research before you invest in this coin. And you can see the liquidity is $600,000, which is very good, and this is a good sign that this coin will be very okay. And you can trade this coin on pancake swap, and that's just what this is. And you can see, look at the makers here. This coin is not bad. All right, and you can see, so let's say you want to check more about the coin, you want to know more about this particular coin, you just simply click inside. All right, so that's just what I'm going to show you now. All right guys, so you can see that this coin was created just a few minutes ago when we checked it in the previous page, and you can see that this is the chart for the coin. This is the daily chart. This is the 1 hour chart. All right guys, so you can see this new coin, friend/USDT, it was just created like how many hours ago? Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So this coin was created around, let's say, 20 hours ago. All right, now you can see that this is where the chart of the coin began. If you take it to the 15 minutes chart, all right, you can see guys, you can see this is where this coin started trading. All right, so you can see, so these are just different factors you need to consider before buying or selling, or before investing in a newly created coin or a shit coin. We call it shit coin because 98% of them are actually shit coins. All right, now you can see the information that Dex Screener is giving us. He said this pair has been created within the last 24 hours. Make sure you fully understand the risks associated with trading newly created pairs of tokens before proceeding. All right guys, you can see this is the liquidity I talk about. The liquidity is okay, and you see the market cap is okay as well. So I think this coin may be good, but I'm not recommending anything to you. All right, now you can see this side simply represent the number of buyers. So you can see once you see a coin having equal or almost equal amount of buyers and sellers, it means that that coin is actually safe to invest in, meaning that you can buy it and you can sell it, you know, within any given moment of time. One red flag you should watch out for is when you see a coin on this table here, you see that it has 99% buys and maybe just 1%. Let's say it has 99 buys and 1 sell. that is a big red flag that is likely going to be a rug pull or a honeypot, because that one says is simply the creator of the coin that probably just whitelisted his address so he could sell the coin. So you have to observe that. So any coin you see that equal amount of buy and sell is good to go. All right, and you can see the makers 352 unique wallet are holding this pair. All right, so let's just come down. So let's say you want to pay close attention to this particular coin. You want to click on watch list to just be added to your watch list, just as you have on coin market cap, or you want to set alerts. So this alert simply allows you to set a particular price. Let's say you want to buy this coin, but you want to use probably a limit order. You want the price to get to a particular region. Let's say it falls so you can buy again, or even let's say you've already bought the coin and you are targeting a particular price before you sell it. You can just set your alert, and what that will do for you is that the desk screener is going to give you a notification around here on your laptop or your device, just send you an alert and just let you know. It will trigger it will draw your attention for you to take a action. All right, and you can see, let's just scroll down a bit. All right guys, you can see on the bottom here it says pair created 22 hours 59 minutes ago. All right, so you can see that's just when this coin was created, and you can look at, if I could just come down a bit. Okay, let me just come down here. You can see what this table here is simply showing us the unique transaction that is taking place for this particular pair, that's friend USDT. You can see as at the time of this video, just 9:12, just like around 30 minutes ago, someone sold this particular pair. You can see another sold. So these are the different transactions that are taking place on this pair. So what you want to look out for when you are using desk screener, once you see that on this particular transaction table, if you just see buy, you just see buys all through, buy, that's a red flag for you to run away from that particular coin. But once you are seeing a distribution of buyers and sellers, it means that that coin is something that you can pay more attention to it. Okay guys, I've given you enough information. So now let's say you have seen a particular coin and you want to buy that coin. So what are you going to do? Are you just going to jump to your DX? Okay, for the ones I use there's a DX I use, it's called Poolcoin. I use Poolcoin. So I also use a Pancake Swap. All right, so you get, and you can also use any DX that you like. All right, but you just have to, but what you need to do is you don't just jump to your DX and just purchase the coin. You need to do more research to make sure that you are not purchasing a rug pull. So what you are going to do is, once you have seen a coin that you are so much interested in, you can just you will just come to this platform. So you come to this platform. So there's a platform I use. It's called Token Sniper. All right. So you use this platform, tokensniper.com, and it's a very powerful platform. It has saved me a lot. It has saved me a lot in terms of preventing me from purchasing or investing in useless coins. So this is the platform, this is the site, tokensniper.com. All right, so what you just do is you just come to this platform and you simply paste the token address, that's the contract address of that particular token, and it's going to just do a quick audit of the particular token that you are searching for. Another platform you can also use is honeypot.is. So this is it, honeypot.is. You can also use some, but I mostly use Token Sniper. All right, so let's just come to this particular token. So now, how to copy the address of this coin? You just simply look at the coin here. Just come here. Just click on copy token address. You can see, so address has been copied. So we've copied it to a token address. So you just simply come here, and then you just come to your Token Sniper, and you just paste the address there. Okay, so this is the address, and you just hit enter. So once in a while you can see results like this from Token Sniper. Okay, so what this means is that the newly created pair is not yet the Token Sniper has not yet seen it or some stuff like that. So I that's why I use this platform also. So once I'll just come here. You can just also use this honeypot.is address there. Okay, so I'm using both platforms. So just click on check for honeypot. Okay, so now you can see this is the information. It says pancake swap USDT friend liquidity 607k. Now let's just see. Now you can see, guys, you can see this is just the information about how to. So you can see this is red danger. It says friend honeypot dictated address. So a very high amount, one in a very high amount of users cannot sell their token. This is likely a honeypot. So guys, this is just what I'm showing you about. So whenever you come to your, so once I see information like this, I don't even bother to go further. So once you are in your dex screener, so now guys, you can see once you use your token sniffer and you can't get the information here, you can just jump to honeypot.is. So these two platforms have really been so helpful to me. So if you are, let's return back to your desk screener. So my friends, once you see any attractive pair or coin like this, don't just be so excited by the return you've seen probably in the last 1 hour or 24 hours. Don't just say because of this you want to jump to your pancake swap or your Uniswap to buy the pair. No, you'll be making a big mistake. You have to research on that coin to make sure that the coin, because most of these coins, they are created by developers, blockchain developers who may have inserted some dangerous code whereby you cannot sell the coin when you bought it. So what this simply means is that most of the sellers you are seeing here, or let's say these transactions you are seeing here, this sale you are seeing here, they are from whitelisted addresses. You get. So this sale you are seeing here, they are just to mislead innocent investors that don't take enough research. So the scammer or the developer behind this, they have already created some addresses that is going to allow them to sell their token. You get. So when you see it, you believe that yes, investors like you are actually selling it, but no, it is the developer or his team behind the particular scam project who are selling, so misleading innocent users like us, or innocent investors like us. So you want to use this platform very well. You can see. So please just do your due diligence. So let's quickly return back to. All right, guys. So let's just check another pair. Let's see if we could check on down. So let's say these gainers and losers. Let's see if we could see another pair that's maybe is realistic. Okay. So let's just scroll down now. Let me see. All right. Let's check this one. Okay. Let's check this particular um, Billy slash WETH. Okay. Alright guys, so you can see this particular pair is on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so you can trade it on Uniswap. Alright, you can see the price, and you can see in the last 24 hours it has made a profit of, or a gain of 419%, but in the last 1 hour 6 hours has made some losses. Okay, and you can see this pair, it has a lot of buyers and sell. Okay, so these are just the preliminary information that can allow us to pay more attention to the pair. Alright, so let's just see. Okay, let me just scroll down. You can see the pair was created 1 day, 13 hours ago. All right, and then the liquidity is okay. Okay, you can see the liquidity 443,000. Okay, so let me just copy the. Let's say we are okay with this and want to, before we invest. Let's just copy the contract address. All right, I've copied the address, and you just head on to your token sniffer. All right, so I'll just backspace this one, then I'll just paste the address there and hit the enter button. All right, so now you can see this pair is on the token sniffer. Token sniffer is able to investigate about this pair. So let's just see the report about this particular pair. All right, so it's loaded. All right, so this is, my friend, this is how you see the token sniffer. This is the page of every particular pair that you want to research on. So you can see the name of the pair is called Billy token, and it's on the Ethereum blockchain. You can see, and let's just come down. So this is where I usually enjoy using a token sniffer. It actually has a score. You can see the score for this particular pair is 91/100. All right, it said this audit score is a measure of how well the token meets the criteria for safety. All right, but it's not a financial advice. As I told you guys, you also have to do your own research. Okay, now let's just scroll down a bit. I don't want the video to be too long. It says swap analysis. All right, so now you can see the information that Token Sniffer is telling us. It says token is sellable, not a honeypot at this time. All right, buy fee is less than 5%, sell fee. So, all right, these are good information. All right, you can see ownership verified. All right, so this is just how I use to invest in this particular shitcoins. I use this platform very well. So once I see information like this, then I'm just going to buy the pair. And once I want to buy the pair, you don't invest so much. This is crypto. This is a crypto gambling. All right, so you invest a little amount, a risk capital that you can afford to lose in case things go south. All right, so now guys, once I'm okay with all this, I've already seen what I want to see. So this is just how you use this platform. You can also come to the honeypot as well. If I come to honeypot, I can also enter the address of the particular coin. I just use it. I use both platform anyway. I use both platform to cross check. So once I get confirmation, all right. So you can see the system say honeypot, no pairs found for this address. So this particular pair is not yet available on Honeypot. So this is just how I use both platforms. So sometimes you can see that a pair will be available on Token Sniffer for you to investigate on, and it may not be available on Honeypot and vice versa. So this is just what you want to do. So for me, I guess I'm satisfied with this particular pair. All right. So if I want to invest in this, I'll just simply go to my all right, but this pair now is not available on Pancake Swap. It's on Uniswap. You can do it. So, but if let's say for example it's available on Pancake, that is on the Binance Smart Chain, I'll just simply come to my Pancake Swap and I just most of the time I invest maybe $5, just little amount. And another strategy I also apply whenever I want to trade on these shit coins is that I first of all I will test with $1. I'll just buy it with $1, then within 2 minutes I'll sell it again, meaning that I can buy and sell the pair. Then I'll now use probably I'll use my risk capital, maybe $5, $10, just to see what happens. Then within the short time, then most of the time I don't owe these shit coins more than 24 48 hours. I don't owe them. So these are different strategies that you can apply when trading shit coins, guys. So you want to use this platform desk screener to see shit coins that are not yet available on your coin market cap or your coin gecko or your Binance. Then once you've seen a coin that draws your attention that you are interested in, then you want to go to this platform Token Sniffer or honeypot.is to see if that particular coin is not going to end up as a rug pull or honeypot. Once you're okay with that, then you simply go to your Pancake Swap or your Uniswap to purchase the particular coin. All right, guys, so that is just the information we have on this particular tutorial. I hope you've gotten information about this, and I hope you've learned one or two things. And please, you can drop a comment in the comment. Just tell me, so get this is what I know about this. This is what just I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what you feel about this, and so I can do subsequent videos based on the response I get about this particular tutorial or this topic. So once again, guys, please also support us by subscribing to the channel and click on the bell icon beside it so that you'll be the first to know whenever I drop awesome information and tutorials like this. So thank you so much for your time, guys, and I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.